Welcome students. Today we are going to deal with a very interesting topic. Look at the given picture. You can find so many organisms here, isn't it? Do you think any of these organisms can live all by itself? No, isn't it? It's because all these organisms depend upon each other as well as interact with each other for their food, shelter, as well as other basic necessities of life. These interactions can be beneficial as well as harmful to the organism. So accordingly, interactions can be positive as well as negative. Now let's have a look at some of the negative interactions. The first picture shows two foxes fighting for food. This type of interaction is called competition. The second picture shows a lion feeding on a zebra. This type of interaction is called predation. The third picture shows head lice feeding on the blood of its host. This type of interaction is called parasitism. And the fourth picture shows a penicillium colony that produces toxins to kill the bacteria without itself getting affected. This type of interaction is called amensalism. Now, if you have a look at all these interactions, there is one thing in common. That is, one of the interacting species will be always harmed by the relationship. And the negative symbol shows the harmful effect. Now let's have a look at some of the positive interactions. The first picture shows a clownfish that lives among the sea anemone. Here the fish gets benefited, but the sea anemone, it remains unaffected. This type of interaction is called commensalism. And the second picture shows a flower that is being pollinated by a bee. This type of interaction is called mutualism, where both the interacting species will be benefited. Here the flower provides a bee with pollen as well as nectar, and in return, the bee pollinates the flower. Now let's have a look at one of the fascinating examples of mutualism, that is pollination of the orchid, Ophrys. Ophrys is also known as the bee orchid, as one of its flower petals resembles the female bee. So the male bees are attracted towards this flower where it carries out pseudocopulation or false copulation. During this process, pollen will be dusted on the male bees. When this male bee visits some other orchid, pollination is carried out. We shall learn about a few more interesting examples of each and every interaction in the upcoming classes. Till then, thank you.